So our first program was Hello World. Can you find a difference between that program and this program? Because we have used a variable here. In our first program, we directly printed that hello world here. But what we are doing here, we are storing that value here. This is nothing but a value or information. We are storing that value in this variable, and then we are using this variable in this print program. So what is the difference between our first hello world program and this program? Look at now, we are using variable here. We are using variable. Look at now, we are passing this value, okay, and text in. We are passing inside a double quotes, and we are storing that in this variable. And while printing, we are using the variable name. We are not using this text. So that's what that difference. If you look at here now, my underscore variable is the name of the variable. And what is this called? This is called a assignment operator. And what it does, look at now, which assigns a value to the variable. So it's assigning this value to this variable. And what is hello world? This is a string or text, or what is, or a data, or we will call it as information or value, and that will be stored inside this variable. Okay, now if you look at what a variable will hold it, the variable currently stores the string hello world. Okay, and then what you are doing now, we are using this variable to print it. We can reuse the variable anytime. What will happen if I print again, type print? Can you guys try this? My underscore variable again, what will happen? 2 times. That is why we are using variable. No, we can reuse any time. Yeah, we can use efficiently use this variable anytime. And what will happen? So then Python, what will happen? Python will get the value stored in the variable and it will print. Okay, so what the value stored in this my variable? Hello world, and then the hello world will be printed. You guys are with me? Is it understood? I explained very clearly. Yeah. So how this program works is explained here. Okay, what we are doing now? First, we are doing the variable, and we are using the assignment operator to store the assign the value to this variable. And what we are doing now? We can reuse. We are reusing this variable in the print statement. Yeah, and how the print function will work? First, Python will see what is stored in this variable. What is stored? Hello world, and then it will pass that hello world to this print function, and then it will print it. Any questions here?